Hey guys, Too Many Tacos here. I'm going to go over a few little products that Midland USA sent me. Going to do a little unboxing video on their E-Ready ER210 emergency compact radio. Also going to do some other videos on this gem right here. It's going to get installed in my RV. Which you can see, this is where I'm filming from today. Going to create a little base station here. They've got a wonderful little 15-watt radio, the GMRS Micro Mobile. It is the MXT275. I've got one of those in my Ram, which you guys probably already know about. I've had the Midland radios in the past 3 builds of my vehicles, and we're going to go ahead and get set up in the RV as well. But stay with me here. We're going to do a unboxing of this little guy. It is the E-Ready ER210, and be perfect for RV. Throw in the truck, throw in the backpack hiking, do whatever you want to with it. It is ready to go at all times. So here we go. Alright, so this will be my first unboxing video ever. So bear with me as we get on with this. So again, this is the ER210 from Midland. It is very light, very well packaged, and we'll break right in here. Instruction manual and warranty card, etc. Alright. This little guy's pretty neat. It's got a little, looks like a solar panel on top for charging. Antenna. USB charging cable. Flashlight. Quick start reference. Comes with a battery. And I believe this is the hand crank. I'm going to read the directions as soon as this is over with, so I know exactly what I'm doing. But it's got a headphone jack. Yeah, this thing is pretty legit. You can pretty much put a carabiner on this, hanging off your pack. It's going to stay right here in the camper. I'm camping out right now just north of the Badlands in South Dakota, and the weather here has been crazy all summer long. We've had winds, we've had tornadoes, etc. This thing would have came in handy way before now, and I don't know why I haven't had it already. But yeah, this is a truly going to be a very good tool in the arsenal. If you want to check it out, it's at midlandusa.com. If you can see that. They have a bunch of wonderful tools on there. But yeah, drop me a like. Let me know what you think.